Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Devi Talkies. So today video is about Mama Earth Natural Mosquitoes Repellent review. So today I'm going to review this product. So yes, I'm going to only review this product alone because this is really wanted product now, because we can see the lot of mosquitoes around our house and outside of the house also. So yes, especially I want to review this product, and I also review this product in Tamil, and this one is in English. So please go ahead and check them out, both the videos, if anyone wanted to check. And also leave the link of the purchasing this product, because I have purchased this product in Amazon. I leave the link in my description box. If anyone wanted to check out, please go ahead and check them out. And yeah, we'll open this product and see further. This is a kind of the spray bottle. It's like this is a kind of the packaging we received. And bottom is white color and tap is green. It's kind of Mama Earth Natural Mosquito Repellent branded color, and it's 100% natural and DEET free. So definitely we need to shake well before use. So they have mentioned all the instruction in the bottle itself. And this one is for 3 months above babies, so we can use 3 months above babies. And net volume of this product is 100 ml. So yes, 100 ml of the product I have bought. And yeah, and they have mentioned the ingredients, like purified water, soya bean oil, cold pressed castor oil. So all the essential oil they have used, like lemongrass is a essential oil, and rosemary. So the smell of the lemongrass is awesome. So the lemongrass smell, it's give you the smoothing effect, and also the smell of the lemongrass, which help to the baby to sleep, and which is really very great. And it's really give you the calm and soothing effect, which is really helpful for the babies to sleep. They also mention some direction of the use everything. So we need to shake well before we applying to baby's body. It's kind of a spray. We need to press that spray, then only the product will come out. And also we have some small cap to protect the spray alone. So now I will show you how to apply this product with a baby. Now I'm showing with with my baby's hand. So in this way only we need to apply this to our baby. Just shake well before use, and just apply it a small amount, very close to the skin. That's why it will come properly. Just apply it and spread all over your baby's hand, like how we apply baby lotion and oil. So in that way we need to apply this spray as well. So now I will show you in my hand. I am just applying it. One pump is really enough. So this product will come around for 3 months. So how we are using, it's like that this product will come, because in that much effective this product has. So yeah, so it will dry automatically within 2 minutes. So there is no leak proof. So I will added some kind of images in this video about the DEET. It's kind of chemical, so you can check it out. It's kind of chemical, that DEET chemical did not added in this product. So that is the main advantage of this products, and good to applying this product to your baby skin. And before using any products, do check it out the date of manufacturing and instructions. And yeah, that's it friends. So I have covered everything about this product. This is a must have product for the babies. If you have a baby, you can definitely check out this product. It's really very good and effective, and I can see the effective result in this product. So definitely we need to try this product at least one. And you can see now my hands is completely dried out, and you can see the result of my both the hands. One is with the spray, and another one is without my the spray. So as you can see, it's completely dried out. And yeah, that's it friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found this video was helpful. So give me a like, and do share this video with your family members and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video once again, and I'll see you on another video. Till the time, stay connected with my channel and stay happy always.